Hi friends, welcome to Kindred Soul Food. Today we are making Rajgira laddus. Rajgira is gluten free and a great source of protein, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium and folic acid. These nutritional laddus are perfect during fasting period or even for your festival platter. We are going to need 1 cup Rajgira flour, 1 cup grated jaggery, 2 tablespoons of roasted peanut powder, 2 tablespoons of roasted grated dry coconut, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee, 2 tablespoons of pistachios which are finely chopped, and 2 to 3 cardamoms that will be powdered. Keep the pan on low heat and add the 1 cup Rajgira flour. And now we are going to roast it for 5 to 6 minutes. It will depend on the kind of pan you're using. I'm using the hard anodized pan. We have to keep stirring it continuously as this flour can burn easily. Also keep the flame on low temperature so the flour will get evenly roasted. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee and mix it well, and we have to continue stirring the flour for 2-3 minutes more. As you can see now, the color of the flour has turned a little bit light pinkish and it's well roasted now. Now we are going to sprinkle 2 tablespoons of warm milk and mix it well. This will give the flour a nice grainy texture, so when you bite into it there'll be a nice grainy feel to the laddus. Add peanut powder and grated coconut to the roasted flour, also the salt and the cardamom powder, and mix well. Now on low flame in the pan we are going to add the grated jaggery. We have to add 1 teaspoon of ghee at this point and keep stirring the jaggery till it forms a lump-free smooth paste. We are not going to cook the jaggery, we just have to ensure that it melts, and then we are going to add the mixture to it. We have to remember not to cook it a lot, otherwise the laddus can become very hard. Jaggery is melted now, so we are going to stir in the mixture. And at this point we can turn off the gas, but we have to still keep stirring the mixture till it becomes a little bit sticky and lukewarm. So we have to continue stirring the mixture here. It'll get a bit sticky and lumpy, and we have to ensure that all the ingredients get mixed well. And keep stirring it, and if you feel it's a bit dry, you can add 1 teaspoon or tablespoon of ghee, or even 1 or 2 tablespoons of warm milk. If it's too dry, only then, that will make it a bit soft. And keep stirring. Remove the mixture now in a plate and added the pistachios, and we'll try and knead it a little bit for it to become more soft, and then we can start preparing the laddus. You have to prepare the laddus while the mixture is still warm, because once it gets cold it will harden up and it will be difficult to make the laddus. So take care, because you can burn your palms. The mixture is still quite hot. You can stir it. If you can't put your hand in it, you can stir it with a spatula at this point, but ensure that you form the laddus while the mixture is warm. The laddus are ready now. They are delicious. Hope you will make them. Do like the video and click the bell icon to subscribe and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and good health to all.